Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi is not working on Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're using Galaxy A05 and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi isn't working or it's not connecting to another device, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll on your control center and you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode. So basically it will make a quick refresh with your network setting including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular. So once I've done, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings, go to connections here, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. Click on Wi-Fi, and just look for the network here. Click on these three dots, and click on this Wi-Fi Direct. And you can wait for a few seconds until it scans. Go back, and here, go to Advanced Settings. Now, once you are here, you have to make sure that these all settings are enabled. You have to also make sure that your hotspot 2.0 is enabled because sometimes it might be that the hotspot you're trying to connect is the upgraded version of hotspot like hotspot 2.0. So you're unable to connect if this setting is disabled. You have to enable this first, then go back and go to connections. And here, go to more connection settings. Make sure that nearby device scanning is enabled. Now, once you have done, you just have to go back. I recommend you have to go to software update, click on check for updates, you check for the latest software update. You can try to use your cellular data, you check for network updates or your software updates here. Once you have done, I recommend you have to make a forced restart or you can make a simple restart your phone to fix your software glitches. Sometimes it might be that due to a pending restart, your software is glitched. You just have to restart your phone, and once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way, just go to settings, scroll down, go to general management, go to reset option here, and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or sometimes you might see reset network setting. You have to select that option and click on reset setting. You must see that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting has been resetted, but sometimes it will ask you for a confirmation prompt or a confirmation pop-up screen. You have to click on reset, and once your settings have been resetted, it will completely reset your Wi-Fi settings, your Bluetooth setting, and it will also delete your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth saved devices. And once you have done, now you have to simply keep a long press on your Wi-Fi here, go to details, and your Wi-Fi, just select the device you want to connect and enter the password here, and your Wi-Fi will be connected. You have to also enable this auto connect to automatically connect with the same device when in range. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi isn't working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.